scared of my life. Not for me, but for my car. Ho ho ho. She built. Good morning, boys. So today is finally inspection day for the new Duramax. Basically, all we have is a ton of receipts for every part that we purchased for the vehicle and the title and all that good stuff. So we're gonna head down to the inspection place right now. And if we pass inspection, we can come back home and work on the truck. Like paint the bed, get it lifted, put some nice tires on it, maybe make it fast one day. But for now, we just gotta get this thing actually in my name, and that requires past inspection to see if I'm a good rebuilder or not. All we did is put a bed on it though. Ready for this to jump? Didn't buy a Duramax or nothing, boy. We just showed up at the inspection place. I don't know why, but I have really bad anxiety about this. I think it's because I've never done it before. I just really hope it passes. I don't know why it wouldn't. If it doesn't pass, it's gonna be some stupid paperwork that I missed. I just pull in this little car wash thing, or what? What? This is trippy.
Or you can check the truck. You can inspect your own truck, I think. Yeah, it's good to go.
I'm so confused.
Is there an office on the other side of this building you're supposed to walk in?
I'm gonna go ahead and say I just pull in. I'm gonna send it. It says I arrived 5 minutes early, and I'm 6 minutes early. Bro, I'm so confused. Okay.
Oh, something's right there.
Oh. Do I just leave it here?
What's that?
Do I just leave the truck here? I've never done an inspection before.
You're going to put a mask on, you're going to bring me all your paperwork and come into the lobby.
Okay, fair enough. You have to go outside, and I'm gonna go sit
I think
inside.
I'm gonna go sleep by that tree. Did you get all the dildos out of the back?
No, not yet. Left rear, so the box side, that's all it needed was the bed side.
So what did you replace on the truck?
Leaf spring, the whole bed, rear bumper, and tailgate. Keys are in the vehicle.
And this is not an assembled, you didn't put another frame under this?
No.
Okay.
The only thing I did was just a bed.
Okay.
That was very, very painless. We're good to go. I just have to sign the document, go to the DMV, put it in my damn name, which I might even do today. We have 1 month to transfer the title. I'm stoked. Finally legal. And there's a cop right there just waiting for me. What is this dude doing? Why is Oh, he's pulling over a bum. That's literally pulling over a bum on the side of the highway. That's hilarious. Look at me, I'm a professional truck rebuilder now. They didn't even know this truck. Oh, they didn't even know this thing's illegal. Scammed them. Should we go do the DMV now? Kind of excited to. Yeah, I'm gonna just get out of the way, bro. It's gonna be a heavy fine or a fee, $3 grand. Oh. All right, so we came to the DMV to transfer the title, and it's not notarized. It was supposed to be notarized by someone in Montana, and that was not done, so we cannot put it in my name. We're gonna go to Ace Hardware. Hi, Jared. I feel like I never vlog like this anymore. It feels so strange. Go to Ace Hardware and get some huge plastic sheets. We're gonna start prepping the shop today. Ooh, she built. Start prepping the shop today for paintwork on the Duramax. How much are these sons of guns? I'd buy 2 of these baddies. How much are they? I can't afford 2. I'm a poor boy.
Yeah, if you're
$50 for plastic. I'm about to go online and see if this is way cheaper at Home Depot. When I went up there, I was expecting $10. The stuff I got is 4 mil thick, all right? Super, super thick. Jared just went on Home Depot. You can get 4 times the amount for half the price. Thinner stuff. We don't need thick stuff. I'm out. I'm returning this BS. We came here for some deals, $25 deals. Ooh, that truck is pretty good. Let's see what we can find. 400 feet. I like this. I'm gonna get this one.
That one's 40.
Yeah, but it's twice as wide.
It's still so much more, yeah.
Dude, this is literally a quarter of the price. Anything else we need?
Thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.
You're welcome.
What are you doing?
Prepping. Here's a scoop, fellow Americans and Koreans alike, and whoever else watches. We need to get the shop prepped out to do some serious work. This is gonna be the first time in my life that I've ever stored a car under another car on a lift. So I'm gonna move the Evo back a little bit. It feels like it's a little too far forward on the lift right now. So I'm gonna pull it back, and we're gonna put my most expensive car under it. So if the Evo 8 falls on the Evo 10, I'll be a sad boy, but I think we'll be all right. We're gonna get this whole shop prepped out, all the cars over here, and then probably just build like a wall somehow. We'll have all that space to do some paint work. Alright, good. No leaks, no leaky brake fluid. That's gonna destroy my wrap. Honestly, I've never been more scared in my life. Not for me, but for my car. Be safe down there, honey. Don't get squished now by the big bad wolf above you. That'd be some serious carnage. I got to thinking. We need to go figure something out to put the bed on. I have nothing. Giant sawhorses that aren't shitty. Either way, should we cover some cars? I probably won't cover the FRS. I don't really care. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I know you guys don't like my FRS, but I like my FRS. If I sell any car out of the fleet, it's the Evo 10 for sure. Is that accurate? That's probably not good right here, actually. Oh, you're twisted. We have a dilemma, another dilemma. So, let me grab the light. I don't know what's going on, and I don't know what this is, but look at this.
Ooh, that looks bad.
So, we need to figure out, if you guys have not been following the build, here's kind of the situation. Bought a bed for the truck because it was wrecked. Bought a new bed. The bed is pretty shitty, so I'm gonna respray the bed. 90% sure we're gonna spray this pillar as well because when the truck got hit, it pushed the bed forward and it hit this pillar right here. There's still a little bit of a dent right there, and then there's like peeling paint where someone got, it looks like some sort of chemical on it, paint stripper or something on it. Bed, obviously respray. Pillar, maybe. And then this door, I'm gonna try to wet sand that stuff out and buff it out, and if that doesn't happen, we're gonna respray the door as well. The rest of the truck is mint, so I might as well make the entire truck mint instead of just like half-assing it.
Hit it with 80, bruh.
That'd be sick if it sanded out. You're gonna laugh when you see this. Ugh. That's so bad. I wonder what that is. Do you think if diesel sat on paint for a while, it'd fuck it up? The whole way home, this thing was slinging diesel.
Oh, that's a good call, actually.
After many hours of research and development, we've come to a conclusion that we can fix the damn door. We still have a little bit up through here, a little bit of crustiness, but all up in here where it's really bad, it's pretty damn good. There's a little bit right there. But I'm just gonna buff a little area and make sure she comes out mint. I'm super stoked because this is gonna save us a lot of time, a lot of time, a little bit of money, but a lot of time. So yeah, I like saving time. So a little change of plans. Because I know we can save the door and we can make the cab probably 95%, there's gonna be maybe a little bit of a dent, but it should be mostly hidden by the bed. We're not gonna be painting the door or the cab. All we're gonna be spraying out is the actual bed itself. This is where we're at right now. This whole door sanded down. I went through with touch-up paint, touched up a few little areas like that. I'll wet sand that down and hopefully fill in some of those weird areas. And we're gonna do the same thing on the cab. What we're gonna do right now is back the truck out, back the truck back in, and then pull off the bed and get that whole bed prepped out. Probably not today, but maybe tomorrow. How are we gonna lift this bed up? I mean, I know I'm jacked and all, but it's pretty heavy. I'm joking, I'm fat. We're gonna take off the tailgate to make it a little bit lighter. Jared and I are gonna try to get this thing off ourselves, and it's getting heavy.
Where are we gonna carry it by? Need help, bro?
Fuck this shit. Where should I put this piece of shit?
Any back by your fenders?
Beautiful.
Like a runway model, bro.
Yeah, I've been practicing. To solve our little issue earlier, we just went to pick up another one of these bummy little things. These things are supposed to hold 200 pounds. I mean, I'm 200 pounds, so. If it holds my fat ass, it's probably gonna hold the bed just fine, because I probably weigh more than the bed. Lift that thing up, we might drop it. Hopefully we don't drop it. Come over here, set it down on these flimsy little sons of guns. Sounds like a good plan. Tried to lift it off the hand, we're not strong enough, so we got out the engine hoist, which sketched me out because last time when I pulled the old bed off, I dropped it with the engine hoist, but with Jared here, we were able to get it off. We originally put it on these wonky Harbor Freight little tin can stands, and it was super, super floppy and loose. So I just pulled out some E85 barrels and set it on the barrels. There's some surface rust in here. We're gonna have to grind out, primer that. A little bit of work there. Good amount of work down there. A little bit on this front corner, and that's about it. I honestly think we could get this thing 100% prepped out tomorrow and in primer tomorrow. Primer all the small areas. Friday, we should be able to lay down the color. Saturday, probably throw it back on, preferably with like 8 people so I don't destroy it. We actually did hit the cab with this and put another dent in the cab. It's not that bad though. I'm still salty about it, but just that little thing right there, we can definitely get it PDR'd out. It kind of sucks. It happens when you try to send it for the boys and it don't work. I'm super stoked to get this truck 100% complete, 100% finished, and then big tire time. We already have wheels here, we already have tires, we already have the lift kit for it. Yeah, it's gonna look sick. We're gonna go ahead and wrap it up right here, boys. Hope you enjoyed. Peace out, I'll see you tomorrow. I got more worried about a car falling on the car versus a car falling on me. Why? I guess my car is more important than my life.